Bears, I'm Joslynn reporting from the BTV studio. Today is Wednesday, March 29th, and it's National Vietnam War Veterans Day, in honor of those who served and sacrificed during this conflict, crossing nearly 2 decades, involving 5 U.S. presidents and 500,000 U.S. military personnel, and with more than 58,000 casualties. Thank you for your service. On to another thoughtful matter to help raise awareness and prevent child abuse and neglect. Many awesome students here at Brennan created cardboard kits to represent the voices of abused and neglected children in San Antonio. This is to highlight April Child Abuse Awareness Month. So stop by the library this week to see the creative projects and vote on your favorite cardboard kit in the library. In the library, there are QR codes for a voting form. Select your favorite kid, which are each numbered. Next Thursday, Reveal Day, our students will place their kids around town for a broader community viewing and awareness. Now on to sports. Our Lady Bears soccer team, whose season ended yesterday with their 3-1 loss to Harlingen in the Class 6A area playoff match. Congrats on a great season, ladies. And now for other events. With a team of 14 rookies out of the 17 performers, our Golden Stars were crowned back-to-back Grand National Champions and jacket winners at the National MA Dance Competition this past weekend. They are national champions in hip-hop, open and novelty with the highest scoring routine in the entire competition. Congrats. Also, congrats to our Texas Association of Future Educators who competed at the state competition in early March. This was their first year, and the 12 students did a great job before achieving the gold award for a group project they presented. Well done, Bears. And kudos once more for our Lady Bears bowling team with an amazing run at state. They finished 6th in the qualifying round. The top 12 teams advanced to the championship brackets with our Lady Bears up against the 11th seeded New Braunfels Canyon, and swept them 2-0 to advance to the Elite Eight. Then they faced 4th-seeded Lee and took the first game in an exciting finish for junior Maya Green, closed out Lee, 144-143. But Lee stormed back, taking the second and third games to eliminate the Lady Bears, who ended their season as a top 8 Texas team. Way to represent Brennan, ladies. Now for academic kudos to our UIL academic teams at the district competition. Among the top placements, Martina Sanchez took first place in copy editing and in computer science. Brandon Valadez placed third with Tommy Cooper, also placing third in editorial. Literary criticism, Sahira Momna took third, and in social studies, Caleb Austin Moncrief placed second. Brennan teams also placed second in social studies, second in computer science, third in calculator applications, and third in literary criticism. Way to compete, UIL academic teams. Now for softball news. Let's wish our Lady Bears softball team luck today as they face the Taft Lady Raiders at 5 p.m. at Northside Field 2. BFND Lady Bears. And for baseball, congrats to our Bears on their 6-0 win versus the Jay Mustangs yesterday. The Bears scored a run in the 3rd, 4th, and 5th innings and added 3 more in the 6th for the win. Let's wish our Bears baseball team lots of luck on Friday as our Bears face the Harlan Hawks at 4:45 at Northside Field 1. BFND Bears. Way to compete, Bears varsity track and field teams, and win first place at the Panther Invitational meet last week. Good luck tomorrow at the NISD meet at Gus Stadium. BFND Bears teams. Now on to golf. Congrats to our Lady Bears who qualified for the 3rd regional tournament in a row, finishing 2nd in the district tournament. And Nevaeh Figueroa, one of the top players in district, won the individual district championship. She parred the final hole to secure her one-stroke victory over last year's district champion. As for Bears golf, the guys compete today and tomorrow with defending individual district champ Cole Bowles, leading a strong team and shooting for a team qualification to the regional tournament. BFND Bears. On a community awareness note, remember that Student Council is collecting new and gently used t-shirts to support Northside Threads. Look for a box in A204 or at the front office. The drive ends April 4th, so do some spring cleaning and help those in need. And remember that only today and tomorrow remain for you to place your order for the BHS Debate Club t-shirt for only $10. I have to agree that you'll love the message. Find a debate student or come to C108 to order yours by tomorrow. Finally, Bears, here's a huge shout out to our campus officer, Officer Garcia, one of our favorite Bears. She works diligently to provide safety to our campus and is the kindest person. We appreciate all she does for us at Brennan. Well, this is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. If you have any announcements for BTV, please email Mr. Serna at fernando.serna@nisd.net. I'm Joslynn, signing off from the BTV studio. Remember, Bears, your success hinges heavily on your positive mindset, so stay engaged in your learning. Have a great day, Bears.
This is a BTV production.